I'm going to review subtraction property of equality. And basically what subtraction property of equality is that you can subtract the same amount or number or variable from both sides of an equation and they are still equal to each other. And it's just common sense, right? Let's say I have two gumball jars, right? And I pick one gumball out of here, pop it into my mouth and eat it. Here, it's gone. I subtracted one. Now we're going to pretend that these jars are exactly alike, right? And then I came and I took one from this jar. Now, do I have the same amount of gumballs in each jar? And are they both being held by a jar? Yes. So they are still equal. And that's what the subtraction property of equality means. It's pretty self-explanatory and straightforward, but what it's used for is to solve equations when you have a lot of different steps involved. Here's a simple example just to show you how it works. And if you have a number plus 20 equals 100, you would subtract 20 from both sides. You would look at this variable and say, okay, I need to get this variable. I need to solve for x, right? That's what it would tell you to do. Whenever you see solve for a variable, your answer is going to be that variable equal or greater than or equal to, and if it's an inequality, if it is an inequality. So in this case, solve for x. You look at this variable and you say, man, what is added or subtracted to that? And you can see plus 20 is subtracted. So in order to get that x alone, we need to subtract both sides by 20. 20 take away 20 gives us 0. X plus 0 equals 100. Subtract 20 from that. So if I have $100 and I owe you $20 and I pay you back, that means I have $80 left in my pocket. And if I have an x and I add nothing to it, I still have that x. So my answer is x equals 80. This is the way the operation works. What you do to one side, you have to do to the other. In this case, because it's x plus 20, we need to, in order to get this variable alone, this is the variable we're solving for, we have to subtract 20 from both sides. So that's basic subtraction property of equality.